I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate-covered strawberries with Ghirardelli. First, choose ripe, firm strawberries and wash them gently. It's crucial to dry them completely. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Set up your workspace with parchment paper and prepare your Ghirardelli chocolate for melting. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful dipping process, leading to perfect treats every time. Now let's melt that delicious Ghirardelli chocolate. A double boiler is ideal for a gentle, even melt, but you can also use a microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. The key is to melt it slowly and stir constantly until it's completely smooth and glossy. Avoid overheating, as burnt chocolate is difficult to work with and loses its rich flavor. Aim for a silky consistency, perfect for dipping. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the chocolate, covering about 2/3 of the berry. Let any excess chocolate drip off before placing it gently onto parchment paper. While the chocolate is still wet, you can add sprinkles, chopped nuts, or even a contrasting chocolate drizzle for a beautiful finish. Allow them to set fully at room temperature or in the refrigerator. Once dipped and decorated, let your chocolate-covered strawberries set. This usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes at room temperature or a bit quicker in the refrigerator. Once firm, they are ready to be enjoyed. For optimal freshness, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. They make a fantastic treat for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other fantastic deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.